Yeah?
I want to make a snowman.
Whoa!
Oh, ha!
No! I don't want to get snowy. I'll get cold. Is that a lot of snow? Hey, who can build a little snowman? Can you build a little snowman on the bench?
Oh. I guess not.
Yeah, make the snow and then build the next one.
Mommy,
Build the next.
This is very new for us because we never had snow before.
We had snow 2 years ago.
Yeah, but I don't really remember.
I know. Liam, do you have gloves?
Yes, I don't.
Use your sleeves. Don't use your hands.
I tasted full snowflake.
Oh yeah, did you catch snowflakes in your mouth?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Hey guys, let's make a giant snow castle.
What do you think? What's snow taste like?
It tastes like nothing.
That's right. What does it taste like, Mindy?
Gross.
It tastes gross? Well, make sure you don't eat the yellow snow.
Why? What yellow snow?
Just kidding. Snow's white. It's not yellow. You know what Yaya said?
What?
Yaya said it was snowing because it's my birthday. Woo! Whoa! Some big snow coming down.
Snow shells, a snow shell. I'm gonna get under.
Yeah. Ooh, it's cold and wet. All right, who loves the snow? Say, I do, I do.
I do.
Yeah. Oh, Daisy does too. She loves the snow. Here it goes.